And Rashmi is totally different. What we know Rashmi, she is totally different inside. The things are happening with Siddharth also. So what do you want to say on relationship of Siddharth and Rashmi?
Regarding relationship of Siddharth and Rashmi, I only knew that they are good co-actors and they share a professional co-actor relationship on set of the show which they did. There is nothing more than that because I already had spoken to Rashmi about it and I had said that there are news coming up between them. She said that it's because of the co-actor thing and sharing the same screen space and playing husband-wife. And because their chemistry was seen on screen, people assumed and thought and commented that they might be having more than that. So that's all about it. And then after that day, we have not spoken on it. And I think so. There is some rumors are baseless, and I think so. We should not focus on that.
And सिद्धार्थ ने जो उनको कहा था that you know तेरे जैसे लड़की को मैं घर में आने नहीं.
I am completely against that. What he said. I am completely, and he doesn't. Nobody has given him a right to speak to anybody like that, because he should have that much sensibility that he's speaking it on national television, and he's raising a finger at a girl's character and a girl's persona, who's been followed and whom a lot of people think she is an idol for them. So without thinking about where a person is standing and just speaking out doesn't make sense for me.
But also Siddharth this statement that she is playing a woman card. How much do you agree with this?
I've said this previously also and I said again and again, what is this woman card? I don't understand. Is it like some credit card that a girl plays and she gets a credit? So a girl cries, a girl speaks out her heart, and if that is the woman card, then I'm afraid that any human is not allowed to express in Bigg Boss house, or any man is not allowed to speak and express their thoughts in the Bigg Boss house. Then there should be a man card also. Why it's only a woman card?
लेकिन यू नो रश्मि वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग वेरिन आरती उनका साथ देगी, जहाँ पर वो उनको बेस्ट फ्रेंड मानती थी, पर आरती ने उनका साथ नहीं दिया. और कल हुए झगड़े में आरती ने ये कहा कि मैं नेशनल टेलीविजन पर ये सारी बातें नहीं करना चाहती, मैं बाहर जाके इस सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करूँगी. डू यू थिंक आरती को वहाँ पे रश्मि का साथ देना चाहिए था?
I genuinely have not seen the episode, but if Aarti has done that, Aarti must have thought about her relationship with Siddharth and Rashmi both, and that's why they have. She must have taken that stand that she didn't want to spoil the relationship with Aarti also and Siddharth also. So somewhere down the line, I feel that it had a sensible decision of not going left and not going right and just balancing it. That's why she must have not spoken about it.
रश्मि बहुत ही शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड नज़र आ रही है शो में, यू नो, जहाँ पे उनको छोटी छोटी बातों में बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ जाता है. इज शी द वे शी like this only in her real life?
She is not short tempered, but situations like that, and you're in the house from last 4 weeks, I think so. Now it's been almost 12 weeks. You're reaching close to 12 weeks. So that irritation of inside being one closure, and people trying to poke you, people trying to irritate you, people trying to get you frustrated, has made us short tempered. But Rashmi is actually not a short tempered girl.
Okay, so if you get a chance to get inside the house and talk to Rashmi and give some advice, what are the advice?
There is no advice, there is only one suggestion, that just play the game the way you want to play. Just keep that dignity, self-respect, and fight for the right and stand against the wrong. That's it. That is going to be seen on screen, and that is what your fans are seeing, and that is what is going to give you a lot of support.
Last message for Rashmi fans.
This is a big appeal to all the Rashmi fans that please support your favorite Rashmi, and she's there battling it out, and I would like to appeal to everyone that just support Rashmi and let's get her that smile on her face and let her know that everyone out there is waiting for her to win.